Hey everybody, Jess Davis here at the medical malpractice law firm of Davis Adams in Atlanta. And as you can see, I'm not in Atlanta. I'm on a quick vacation with my family. My oldest son is headed off to college this fall, so we're enjoying one last family trip before he takes off. But I did want to hop on here and very briefly talk about something that gets mentioned from time to time. And that's, why is Davis Adams only 2 lawyers? And is that by design? And the answer is it's absolutely by design. There will always only be 2 lawyers at Davis Adams, Davis and Adams. And there's an important reason for that. Our names are on the door. And we don't believe that anyone can care as much about this firm and our clients and our cases as we do. We could hire 4 new lawyers and train them and give them the less important task in every case, except that we don't believe they're any less important task. If you took a case of mine and said, okay, pick 5 things in this case that aren't super important that someone else can do, I can't do that. Everything is important. You never know where the key fact is going to come from. As we're working through a case, it's often a deposition of a witness that no one thinks has key information that blows the case wide open. And you only get that if you're knee deep in the case, you're studying the file, you're totally engrossed in it, it has your full attention, and that's how we operate. So when you hire us, you don't get one of us, you have both of us. Me and my law partner, Chad Adams, we work on every case together. We examine everything together. We argue about it back and forth, and some of our best work comes after we've argued for hours and we've considered every angle of an issue. And through that process, we arrive at what we think is best for the case and best for the client. And I think if you have, other firms say, we have an army of lawyers, as if you would have, hundreds of lawyers working on your case anyway. You wouldn't, you'd only have a couple. But I don't want an army of lawyers working on a case. You don't need more lawyers, you need good lawyers. You don't need a lot of lawyers, you need the best lawyers. So we don't have work that we would feel comfortable handing off to other people so that we could spend all of our time managing lawyers and filming TV commercials. It's just an entirely different approach to practicing law. We don't advertise. We don't have a bunch of junior lawyers doing the work. We get our cases mainly through referrals from other attorneys who trust us and know that we do great work. We get some of our cases through our website. People find us through Google searches. And when people do hire us, they get us. We take a relatively small number of cases. We don't take a lot at any one time because we can't do a great job if we have too many cases. So we limit the number of cases we take. We are a small firm by design. You are always going to get the 2 of us. And that's the way we've chosen to do it. There are different ways, but this is the way we've done it. We think it results in the best service for our clients. We think we get the best outcomes in our cases doing it this way. And we're very comfortable and really proud of the firm we've built. So that's why we don't hire a bunch of staff lawyers. It's also the reason why we don't advertise. And I appreciate you hopping on here with me for a minute, and I wish you all the best. Take care.